How to see other viewers on Facebook Story. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu that is on the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit and then tap on Settings and Privacy. As you do that, a pop-up will appear where you want to tap on Settings. Now scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, you want to tap on Stories. Then tap on Stories Privacy. As you can see, Public is selected. That means all the people in Facebook will be able to see it. When you tap on Custom, only the people you select will be able to see your story. When you put it to the public, all the people on Facebook will be able to see your Facebook story. When you put it to friends, only your friends will be able to see your Facebook story. And when you put to custom, only the selected people will be able to see your Facebook story. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.